Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we're gonna learn about chapter 2 number base. We're gonna continue our lessons. Okay, what do we learn today? We're gonna learn learning standard 2.1.2, which is converts number from one base to another using various methods. Okay, before that we're gonna flashback what we have learned. First is place value, second is digit value, number value. What is place value? Each number base has its own place value, depends on what's number of the base. Digit value is the value of the digits of a number base, and the number value is the addition of the digit value of a number base. Okay, next. Did you know writing the base sign for a number in base 10 is optional, which can be written or left out like this? 5 for base 10 also can be written as 54. For example, Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Borneo at 4095 meters. Also can be written as 4095 can be written as 4095 base 10. Okay, next. A number can be converted to another base by using various methods. For the first method is division using place value, and the second one is division using base value. Okay, there are 4 processes that involve converting a number into. First is base 10 to another base. Second is a certain base to base 10 and then to another base. The third one is base 2 directly to base 8. And the last one is base 8 directly to base 2. Okay, for the first one, we're gonna look at base 10 to another base. We're gonna use example just now. Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain in Borneo at 4095 meters. Convert 4095 base 10 to first base 5 and second base 8. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, for the first example, how to convert 4095 base 10 to base 5. Okay, first we're gonna using place value. What we're gonna do first is we draw a table like this. Here is the place value. Here is the step base 5, because we're gonna convert this to base 5 and then the answer. Before we fill in what is the place value, okay, we're gonna list down the place value which is higher than 4095. Okay, start with 5 power of 0 equal to 1, 5 power of 1 equal to 5, 5 power of 2 equal to 25. And then 5 power of 6 equal to 1, 5, 6 to 5. Okay, this is higher than 4095, so we're gonna write this one in here. 1, 5, 6 to 5. Close the table, and we're gonna say that 1, 5, 6 to 5 is higher than 4095. Okay, and then the second place value we're gonna put here 1, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, this one we move to the next box. Write down 4095 and then we divide it with this place value 3125. okay, 3125. okay, we're gonna divide this as usual, like you already learned before. 3125 times 1, and here is 3125. 4095 minus 3125, we get 970. And then we close, and then we write for the next place value, which is 625. okay, we bring this 970 to the next box. 970 divide by 625. okay, we divide as usual. 625 times 1. okay, 970 minus 625, and we get the balance 345. okay, and for the next place value is 125. 345, so we bring it next to the next box. 345, we write it down in here, and then we divide by 125. okay, 125 times 2. okay, here we get 250 minus, okay, we got the balance 95. and then we're gonna calculate until this one we get 0. okay, this one we get 0. we already get the 0. This is 4. 20 divided by 5. 5 times 4 equal to 20, and then 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. and for the last place value is 1. we put 1 here, and then 0 is we bring next to the next box. It was 0. okay, from here we already got the answer. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We're gonna write down this number at here for the third row. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And then we're gonna write down one by one. So the final answer is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Best 5. okay, let's take a look for the simple technique. This is the simple technique. okay, this is easy than before and more simple. okay, first we're gonna draw a table like this. Here we're gonna put the number 4095. At the left one is division. At the right is balance. okay, here what is number that we're being divided with? We divide by 5. okay, because we want to convert this to 5, base 5. 4095 divide by 5. 4095 divide by 5, we get 819. For the balance, we check 4095 minus 5 times 819. okay, the balance is 0. okay, we divide again by 5. 819 divided by 5. okay, we get the number 163.8. we only take the number in front of this decimal place. okay, which is 163. okay, for the balance we check 819 minus 5 times 163. Okay, for the balance is 4. We're gonna divide until this will become 0. Okay, divide again by 5. 163 divided by 5, we get 32. We only take 32, 6. We will not take the 6 after the decimal place. We're gonna take that in front only. We check for the balance. 163 minus 5 times 32, which is 3. The balance is 3. We divide again by 5. 32 divided by 5, 6. Okay, balance 32 minus 5 times 6, 2. Okay, divide again by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, and then for the balance, 6 minus 5 times 1, which is 1. And then we divide by 5 again. But wait, look at here. 1 is higher than 5, so we cannot divide it, because you will get, let's try 1 divided by 5, you will get 0.2. So here you must put 0. If this number is higher than this number, we have to put here 0, because we cannot divide it. And then this number, we move it to here. Okay, 1. Okay, we already get the final answer. How to write the final answer is from below to above. Okay, for the final answer is 4095 base 10 equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Base 5. Okay, this is the final answer. Let's take a look for the second example. Okay, convert 4095. Okay, let's take a look for the second example. Convert 4095 base 10 to base 8 using place value. First, we're gonna draw a table. Here is place value, step, base. Okay, we want to convert it to base what? We want to convert it to base 8, so this one is base 8. And then the answer. Before we fill in the place value, we need to determine what is the place value higher than this one, and then we're gonna stop. Okay, 8 power of 0 equal to 1. So that 8 power of 1 equal to 8, and so on until we find it. Okay, we already found the number place value that higher than this number. Okay, 4096. Okay, we write down here 4096 and then close the table. Okay, then we're gonna write 4096 is higher than 4095. Okay, and this one is for the second place value, which is 512. Okay, then close the table. This number will be moved to the next box, 4095, and then we divide it by 512. We divide this as usual. 512, okay, times with 7, then we can divide this, which is 3, 5, 8, 4, and then we get the balance 511, and then we write the second place value, which is 64, and 511 we're gonna move to the next box. 511 divided by 64, okay, 64 times 7, we get 448, balance 63, close, okay. Then the next place value is 8, this number moved to here, 63 divided by 8, okay, 8 times 7, okay, we can minus this one, 56, okay, we get the balance 7, and then for the next place value is 1, okay, 1, this is the final place value. 7 divided by 1 is easy, 1 times 7 is 7, then we can get 0. Okay, we do this until we get 0. Now for the final answer, we already get, look at this number 7. Okay, and then we put down this number at here, 7, 7, 7, 7. For the final answer is 7777 base 8. Okay, now take a look. Let's take a look for simple technique. Okay, this is the simple technique, division using value of base. This question is same. Convert 4059 base 10 to base 8. Okay, first we're going to draw a table like this. 4095. At the left is division and the right is balance. Okay, we divide by 8 because we want to convert to base 8. Divide by 8. 4095 divide by 8 is, okay, so the answer is 511. We only take the in front of the point, which is 511 only. Okay, we do not text behind it. And then for the balance is 4095 minus 8 times 511, which is 7. And then we divide again by 8. 511 divided by 8, we get 63. For the balance, 511 minus 8 times 63, and we get 7. We divide again by 8. 63 divided by 8, 7, and checks for the balance. 63 minus 8 times 7, which is 7. And then here we divide by 8. Okay, but wait, this number is higher than there. Okay, if this number is higher than here, that means at here we must put 0, and this 7 must be moved to here. And the way we write the answer is from down to up here. Okay, 4095 base 10 equal to 7777 base 8. Okay, it's the same as by using this technique. There is two techniques, which is a division using place value and division using value of base, and we get the answer is same. Okay, for the second one is a certain base to base 10 and then to another base. Let's see this flow. Okay, from base P to base 10 and then base Q. For example, convert 253 base 6 to base 9. Okay, first we're gonna convert from 6 to 10 and then to Q. Like this, P is 6 and then 10 and then Q is 9. Okay, for the second example is convert 334 base 5 to base 2. Okay, this one is from base 5 to base 2. First, base 2 must be converted to base 10 and then base 10 convert to base 2. Okay, now we're gonna take a look for the example of from one okay, now we're gonna take a look for example of from a particular base to base 10 and then we convert to another base. Okay, from here the question is 253 base 6 to base 9. Okay, first we're gonna convert base 6 into base 10. Okay, first we're gonna draw a table. Here is the number. Here is and here is the place value and then the number value. Because there are 3 digits in this number, we're going to divide this by 3. Okay, and then we arrange this number in here. 2, 5, 3. Okay, for the place value, we must look at the most right because this is base 6. So this is 6 power of 0 must start from 0 and then 6 power of 1 and then 6 power of 2. And then we multiply number and the place value. 2 times 6 power of 2 plus 5 times 6 power of 1 plus 3 times 6 power of 0 and then we get the answer is 105 base 10. Okay, we already convert into base 10. For the second step is we convert base 10 into base 9. Okay, by using simple technique, we draw a table like this. Here is 105 base 10. We take this number and at the left is the division, at the right is a balance. Okay, here we divide by 9 because we want to convert it to base 9. Okay, 105 divided by 9 is 11. And we check for the balance. 105 minus 9 times 11, 6. And then we divide again by 9. 11 divided by 9 equal to 1. We only take the number in front of this point. Okay, for the balance is 11 minus 9 times 1, which is 2. And then we divide again. And then we take a look. 1 is smaller than 9. If this is smaller than 9, it cannot be continued. And there we put 0 and 1 move to here. Okay, this is 1. And then we already see for the final answer. how to write this final answer is from down to up, from below to above. Okay, so the final answer is 253 basic equal to 105 base 10 equal to 126 base 9. Okay, now for the second example. This is the second example. We have to convert 334 base 5 to base 2. First, we're gonna convert base 5 to base 10. Okay, how are we gonna convert this? First, we're gonna draw a table. This is number. This is place value. This is number value. Close. Okay, close. There are 3 digits in this number. We divide by 3 box. Okay, then we arrange the number here. 3, 3, 4. For the place value, we look at the most right, and because of this base 5, so the place value is 5 power of 0, and then 5 power of 1, 5 power of 2, and then we multiply the number and the place value. 3 times 5 power of 2 plus 3 times 5 power of 1 plus 4 times 5 power of 0, and then we get 94 base 10. Okay, for the second step, we convert this base 10 into base 2. Base 10 into base 2. Okay, first we're gonna draw a table like this. Okay, here we put 94. At the left is division, at the right is balance. Here we divide by 2 because we want to convert this into base 2. 94 divided by 2 is 47. We check for the balance. 94 minus 2 times 47, which is 0. Okay, here is 0. Okay, we divide again by 2. 47 divided by 2. Oh, sorry. 47 divided by 2 is 23. We check for the balance. 47 minus 2 times 23 is give 1, and then we divide again. We're gonna divide this one until we're gonna divide this number until it becomes 0. And then for the last one, we get this number. This number is higher than this, so at here we're gonna put 0, and 1 we're gonna move to here. Okay, 1. How to read the answer is from down to up here. And then for the final answer is 334 base 5 equal to 1 0 1 1110 base 2. Okay, that's all. For the third one is base 2 directly to base 8. Okay, there are 3 steps. For the first step is separate each of the 3 digits of a number in base 2 from the right to the left. And the second step is determine the sum of the digit value for the combined 3 digits in base 2. Step 3 is combine the number in base 8. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, remember this simple technique to convert a base number 2 to base 8. Okay, this is a table of base 2 and base 8. If you want to convert base 2 to base 8 or base 8 to base 2, okay, you must remember this table. Memorize this. Okay, for the simple technique we're gonna learn later. Okay, for the first example, convert number base 2 to number base 8. Convert these numbers 110111 base 2 to base 8. Okay, for the solution, first we're gonna separate 3 digits in one group and start from the right. Okay, start from the right, 3 digits in one group and then 3 digits in one group. Then we're gonna build the table like this. For the first row is number in base 10, and then the second row is place value, the third row is digit value, and the last one is base 8. Okay, remember this is one group, this is one group. Arrange the number in this 1, 1, 0. This pink color represent for this group, and this yellow in color is to represent this group. Okay, 1, 1, 1. And for the place value, we must start from the right. Okay, this is base 2, so 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. Okay, this is the another group, so must start from 0, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. Then to find the digit value is the multiplication of the number and the place value. 1 times 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 2 power of 1 is 2, 0 times 2 power of 0 is 0, and then 4, 2, 1. And then we find the number value for this group, which is 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 6, and then the number value for this is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, and then we combine this digit to form base 8. 6, 7 base 8. So the final answer is 6, 7 base 8. Okay, let's take a look for the simple technique. Okay, for the solution, okay, this is a table that I asked you to memorize just now. Okay, and then we're gonna split or separate this number into 3 digits in one group, but must be start from the right. Okay, 1, 1, 1, and then the second group is 0, 1, 1, and then we're gonna find which one is 1, 1, 0. Okay, this one. Then we circle this one. Which one is 1, 1, 1? Okay, this one. Okay, then we're gonna circle this one. Okay, so the digit for this group is 6, and then for this group is 7. Then we combine this digit to form number base 8, which is the final answer is 6, 7 base 8. Okay, for the second example is convert this number to base 8. This is base 2 to base 8. There are 7 digits in total for this number, but how can we split it into 3 digits for one group if it have 7 total in number? If it has 7 digits in the number, okay? For the solution, let's take a look. Okay, we divide it like this. 3 digits for one group, but if we want to separate it, we must start from the right to the left. Okay, 3 digits in one group, and then 3 digits, and then this is the leftover, which is 1. There are 3 groups. Okay, build the table like this. The first row is number in base 2. Okay, we're gonna arrange the number in here. This group represent this group. This pink group is represent the middle group, and this yellow group is represent this group. Okay, arrange the number 1101 for pink group, and yellow is 101 for yellow group. And then we must determine the place value. Place value must be start from the right, which is 2 power of 0, why 2? Because this is base 2, and then 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. Then this is another group, then it must be start from 2 power of 0, and then 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. Same goes with this group. Okay, for the digit value is the multiplication of number and the place value, which is 1 times 2 power of 0 is 1, 0.2 power of 1 is 0, and then 4, 1, 0, 4, 1. This is 0 because there is no number in here, so it's 0, 0. Okay, then we're gonna find the number value for each group. Okay, like this, 4 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 5. The number value of this group is 5, and then this group is 1. Okay, we combine this digit to form number in base 8. Okay, we get 1, 5, 5 base 8. Okay, this is the final answer. For example, convert number in base 2 to number in base 8. Okay, same goes with the question as before, but using a simple technique. Okay, use this table that I asked you to memorize, and then split the number into 3 digits in one group and start from the right. Okay, if you want to separate it, you must start from the right. And then we determine 101, which one is it? Okay, this one, we're gonna circle this one, 101, this one also, and then 1 in front of this is 0, 0 because there is no number in front of this, so we circle this. And then the digit for here is 5 because this is 5, and here is 5 also, and here is 1. Okay, combine this digit to form the final answer, which is 155 base 8. For the fourth process is base 8 directly to base 2. There are 3 steps. First step is separate the digits in a number in base 8, convert each digit to a number in base 2, and then step 3, combine all the digits to form a number in base 2. Okay, let's take a look for the example. Convert number in base 8 to number in base 2. This number 517 base 8. For the solution, we must separate one digit in one group and must start from the right. Just now, we already see example for base 2 and to base 8. If base 2 to base 8 was 3 digits for one group, but if it involving base 8 to number in base 2, it's involving just one digit only for one group. Okay, build the table like this. For the first row is base 8, for the second row is place value, and the third row is base 10. Okay, arrange the number 517. This is group for this. This pink color is group for the middle group, and this yellow is for this group. First, we're gonna fill for the place value before we fill this box. Okay, start from the right to the left, which is 2 power of 0 equal to 1, and then so on. Okay, then we're gonna check which number can be totaled up to form this number. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 1, we're going to take here, 2 and 4. Okay, so it's 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. Which one number here can form 1? Of course here. Okay, 1. Which one number of here can be totaled up become number 5? Okay, number 1 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Next, we're going to look at which box is already being ticked. This box is, we already ticked this box, so you're going to put 1 here. This also tick 1, tick 1, tick 1. This is no tick, so it's 0. No tick, 0. Okay, this is tick. Okay, put 1 here. This is 0 because there is no tick, and there's tick here, and then 1. Then we combine all these digits to form base 2. Okay, 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 base 2. This is the final answer. For the second example is convert this number into base 2. Okay, this is base 8, then we need to convert it to base 2. For the first step is we separate each digit for one group. One digit, one group. Okay, start from the right. Build a table like this. For the first row is base 8, second row is place value, and the last row is base 2. Arrange the number here, 3, 2, 6. Okay, 3, 2, 6. And then we're gonna determine the place value. Start from the right to the left. For the first group is 2 power of 0 equal to 1, 2 power of 1 equal to 0, 2, 2 power of 2 equal to 4. Then we continue, fill this up. And then we're gonna check which number can be totaled up become 6. Of course, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. And then which number can be totaled up become 2? Okay, here is 2. Okay, we tick here. Okay, for this one, this group, which number can be totaled up become 3? Of course, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, and then we take a look for this row. If there is no tick in here, we put a 0. If there is tick, we put 1. Same goes with others. Okay, then we combine all these digits to form base 2. So the final answer is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Okay, we're gonna use example just now, but we're gonna use simple technique to solve this problem. Simple technique is required to use this table. Okay, we're gonna write down the number, separate the number into one digit for one group, and then we're gonna find for digit 6 first. Where is digit 6? Okay, here. And then we're gonna circle here. Okay, then the second digit is the 2. Okay, where is 2? Here. Okay, we're gonna circle this, and then 3, circle here. Okay, so the number for here is this one, 1 1 0, and this one is 0 1 0. For this digit is 0 1 1. Then we combine all these digits to form the final answer, which is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Then for the conclusion is, for the first map is convert a number in base 10 to another base and vice versa. If this involving this process, for the first step we must convert into base 10 first, and then we using this. And then From the base 10, we convert to another base by using division of place value, or you also can use division of base value. And for the second map is convert a number in base 2 to base 8 and vice versa. Okay, if we take a look for these two, the difference between these two is for the first table is base 2 to base 8, and this one is base 8 to base 2. If we take a look for here, the number value is evolving at the last row. Meanwhile, the number value for this process is at the first row. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand what we learned today. Thank you everyone. Bye.